creamy Nutella buttercream frosting. Prep time 8 minutes. Yield 4.5 cups, enough for this 3-layer cake or for 30 cupcakes. Description: decorate any cake or cupcake with this creamy Nutella buttercream frosting and turn your dessert into an exquisite and decadent masterpiece. Ingredients: 1 cup unsalted butter, softened to room temperature. 4 ounces cream cheese, softened to room temperature. 3/4 cup Nutella. 1½ teaspoon vanilla extract. 3 1/2 cups confectioner's sugar. Instructions: cream the butter and cream cheese together in a large bowl using an electronic hand mixer or a stand mixer. Beat on medium for 2 to 3 minutes until smooth and creamy. Add in the Nutella and vanilla extract and continue to beat. Gradually add in the confectioner's sugar and continue to beat until light and fluffy. If the frosting is too thick, add some milk or cream. If it is too thick, add some more confectioner's sugar.